Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here, today we're at Palmetto Island State Park with the Latanya cookers, baby. And we're getting ready to do some heavy-duty cooking. Come on and see us, Shy. All right, who we got out here? There's Miss Minard out there. Hi, Miss Minard.
Hello, Mr. Lucia.
All right, hey, guy.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Oh, c'est bien, man. Et toi?
Bon, cooking Cajun
Look at that.
mac and cheese.
Cajun mac and cheese.
That mac and cheese is boring. You got to put smoked sausage, onions, garlic, and celery in there. Bell pepper.
That's it, man. You got to dress it up, huh?
Yep.
And put the bayou stuff.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Thank you, James. Oh, yes, sir.
A little pork.
Pork. Oh,
Barbecue pork.
barbecue. Man, that looks good, boss.
Got a couple of onions in there.
Yeah.
Garlic.
Oh, yeah.
Had a good trip out there?
Well, I got to see that when it's all done, man. That's
Yeah,
gonna-
make it around.
So what that's going to end up being now?
Just a barbecue pork.
Just
Chunks
barbecue
of pork right there.
All right, good deal, man. Well, I'll be hitting some of that after a while.
All right, chef.
Hey, man, good to see all y'all out here this fine hot morning.
What is that?
That's we call that a trail ride stew.
Trail ride stew.
Oh, yeah.
Man, that looks good. Oh, it smells good, huh?
Yeah.
What all you got in there? I know you got
Got
corn.
beef, corn, peas, vegetable soup, gravy.
You don't
Wow.
have to give us
Bell
all your
pepper.
secrets now.
Oh no, they got a couple of things in there that.
All right, I got you, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is Robbie Moe. Robbie, what you got, man?
Sausage and more sausage.
Sausage and more sausage. Boy, I tell you what.
If you want something else, go to McDonald's.
No, I'm gonna bring. I gotta go look in my car see if I got a steak. Man, that look good, bro.
Oh, yeah, it's coming up.
Now this pit right here,
Stainless
that's
steel.
stainless steel, painted black.
My wife gave that to me for my anniversary one year.
Hot dang, right?
Lifetime. It's gonna last longer than me.
Oh yeah, man. Mine lasted 43 years, man, but I didn't treat her right, you know.
That's right. That's right. Well, your wife or your barbecue pit?
Nobody. The pit, man. You here to enjoy yourself?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Well, you the man. You know that.
I don't know about all that.
Hey, Danny Moe, what you got going on in the pot, Danny Moe?
We got some bread cooking here. Some jalapeno bread.
Jalapeno bread. You got to save me a little piece now, man. You know that, man. I'm the bread
When the
man.
bell rings, you gotta run over here.
Shit. Okay, you got
Peach cobbler.
peach cobbler. Man, that looks good, boss. Dang.
Tried a little different. We put some cinnamon checks on top of it.
Cinnamon
Add a
checks
little
on
cinnamon
top.
flavor to it.
And that's what's good about being out here, man. You do your thing.
Yeah.
Hot dang. Mr. Butch Moe.
How you doing, sir?
Doing great, Butch. Doing great, man. I see what you got going on in the pot, buddy.
Main meal.
Main meal.
Yeah.
We saw the cornbread a while ago, man. They got
Cornbread?
cornbread over there. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Look at this.
How's the shrimpy corn gonna go with
Crimpy
that?
corn, hey, man, they just have to work it in some kind of way. Work it in.
It's all about done. We serve ain't 11. They told you
I
that.
know that. Hey, it's cooking, partner. It's
Okay,
cooking. I got
cool.
it on.
Good deal. Glad y'all could make it out.
Oh, yeah, man, that looks good.
Chili.
Man. Got some chili going.
A lot of chili.
What you cooking, boss?
Man, I'm cooking up my appetite.
Well, I'm glad somebody come with
Hello,
one.
ladies. How y'all doing today?
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Carleen Moe.
How are you, sir?
Doing fine, Chad. Let me show you something, folks. Look here. Huh? Look here. You see that?
Yeah.
You buy a ticket, you get some gratons and some boudin. If we ain't Cajun, I don't know what the hell we are. Friends, and this is Junior there. That's one of our camp hosts. Where you from, man?
Down the road.
Down the road.
Down the road, man. Not too far away like that. You know?
Junior, just down the road. Ain't no problem there, man.
Never
Listen.
a problem. It's all good.
He's one of the camp hosts out here at Palmetto Island State Park. He'll be here welcoming you and making sure that all your needs are taken care of.
Y'all come down. Got any questions? Just stop one of us and ask us.
That's a good
Be
deal.
more than glad to help you.
Thank you, Junior. Appreciate it, man. What y'all say? What y'all say? Hey, what y'all cooking today, Shay?
Potato casserole and some corn casserole.
Potato casserole and a corn casserole?
Goes really good with pork.
Oh, Lord have mercy. That's great.
And we need to talk to you. We received some of your red beans and rice mixture in a little container. That's the best red beans and rice I've ever had.
Why, thank you.
He won it as a raffle prize up in North Louisiana. So could we buy some more of that? Or I looked online, I couldn't find it.
Just go chefbourque@gmail.com. Thank you.
Got it.
All right, yeah, let me see what you got, man.
Well, we starting off with some sausage right here. We're going to throw some red beans in there after a while.
Oh, man, that's great.
And
that is good stuff.
all you got to do is come back and get you some more after a while.
I am. I got to go put my corn and shrimp on right now.
Whoa!
Oh,
Hey,
you're
man.
doing a shrimp and corn mug shoot.
Well, something like that.
Oh, I love
Hot dang, we got some old folks out here, man.
We got a bunch of old folks.
Hey, y'all camping out?
Yes, sir.
Terrific, terrific. Well, look, hope y'all enjoy yourself. You know there's going to be some good grub after a while.
Oh, yeah.
Going on in it. Let me see what's going on. Man, we're having a good time today. I mean, it's almost too good. I guess it's time. Boy, I'm all full of sweat. I need to take some sweat out my eyes, baby. Hot dang, look at that. Holy moly, boy, the smell. Wait till I get my shrimp in there. Hot dang, let me close that up a while. When you talk about something good, God dang, that's good. Now let's see what's in the pot, Shaq. Look at that. Got it cooking, baby. That's that shrimp, corn. People call it corn mac chew with shrimp. I call it shrimpy corn. That's going to cook about another 20 minutes. And let me tell you what, this is so good. Yeah, baby. What's happening, son?
What
you doing, Chef Bourque? Oh, I'm trying to get my buddy Leo fixed up with a little shot of something here. Show us what you got in the pot there. Hey, we got shrimpy corn on the bayou, Shad. My personal best. Look at that. Ooh.
That's nice.
Yep. This for Ted. He said they cook on a smile and get a picture.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's phase 4 now.
But phase 4, all right.
Phase 4.
Hey, what kind of cake you making?
It's a dump cake, a cherry pineapple dump cake.
Cherry pineapple dump cake. I gotta see this now. Look at it. Holy no.
That's gonna be good, huh? You smell that?
Yeah, I smell that. You better save me a little piece somewhere.
Okay.
Don't get lost.
I won't be lost, man. Lord have mercy.
Let me do this first.
Yeah, this is that pork, barbecue pork you working
Barbecue
on.
pork. Yes,
Hot dang. What y'all say? Did y'all start the pots yet?
Well, they're all done. Come take a look.
Oh, yeah. Let me see what's going on over here.
We have apple pie
Holy moly, apple pie, Sharon.
for the Valentine.
Oh, yeah, for the Valentine.
We have a meatloaf.
Ooh, that's a beautiful meatloaf. And that's by Roy and Norma Young.
And we have some rolls.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Well, look, you got to save me a roll there.
I will save you a roll.
That's whole wheat, eh?
Yeah, they're all diet. All this is diet.
All that's diet. Well, it don't make no difference. All right, what you got in the pot, man?
Got a cinnamon roll cake.
See, got some cinnamon rolls. Wow. Holy moly. Yeah, that looks good.
And we got that garlic chicken
Garlic chicken.
with a molasses glaze on it.
Oh, man. Yeah, I'm glad you got a big pot, brother. Look at that. Garlic chicken
Got the molasses in it
with the
with an apple.
apple stuffed in there. Got a glaze in it. What kind of glaze you got?
Molasses and garlic glaze.
Molasses and garlic glaze. Man, that's terrific, bud. Thanks, partner. Man, I tell you, there's gonna be some good eating over here today. Hey, brother, what's going on over here, man? What's happening in your pot?
A little peach cobbler in the pot here.
Peach cobbler.
And then we're going to do some hash browns.
Oh, almighty, that smells good. That peach smells good.
Oh, it does smell good.
What you got in here now?
We didn't start that yet.
Didn't start. It's still early. That's Mardi Gras time. Can I hear oh yeah, baby?
Oh, yeah, baby. Happy Mardi Gras.
Oh, man, thank you, bud. Oh, shit, that's terrific. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. You got it.
Look my hat.
Hey, bud, what's going on?
Thank you.
That's the cook. He always cooks, but he never invites us.
Let's see what you got. You got your good spaghetti? Oh, yeah, man. Shit. That is terrific.
And the bombshell.
Hot dang, boy, that's good stuff.
And plus mauvais encore. And goulash.
Oh, c'est bien.
20% goulash.
Oh, man. That is good. Yeah. I tell you, man, you're gonna have people following you all over the place when you go camping.
No, I'm going to your house next.
There's too much partying going on out here under the tent. Lord have mercy.
How you doing?
Okay, Shaq. Let me see what you got going on right now.
Check it out.
Holy moly. Man, that is awesome. Oh. Man, and what is that one there?
That one is the Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprout salad.
See, we eat healthy out here. Look
Oh,
at that. God dang. Look good, everybody.
Over a little bit.
Let me get in the camera.
Yeah, get in the camera there, Tim.
Now, thank you.
There you
man.
go.
Thank you. Go your camera hole.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
How did
man.
you do that cut?
You like, yeah, man. Oh, yeah, baby. I tell you what, we had fun today, Shaq. Made a good video. I hope you like it. We tried to catch everybody and everything. Cause look, you had so much pork you just could not imagine. I mean, we almost had pigs running through here. But it was a great day. Everybody had fun. Hey, this Brian Delahoussaye, he enjoyed himself. What you got to say, Brian?
Bonjour, we had a good time. We had a real good time today. We ate a lot of pork. Our bellies are full. And we followed up with some sweets. And we had a real good time. And we enjoyed ourselves in Palmetto Park. It was great.
Well, that's good, Brian. Now,
Yes,
can't
sir.
see how you dance. How'd you dance out there, man?
Yeah.
Oh, that's too much. That's too much. Got to cut this out.
Mas sonhei tão chá como lá, chara nos olhos.
Oh, whatever, man. All right, bud. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Oh, yeah.